Hello guys, this is Chris with MarketingIntelligenceCM.com, and on today's video I'm going to talk a little bit different about another different income and how you can spend it. Usually I'm talking on my videos about how you can make $20 per hour, different ways on how you can make $100 per day, or how you can earn passive income from the comfort of your house every single day and each month with very little effort, no experience, and so on. I do ask you, invite you to click and follow these videos, but today I'm going to talk about a different income, about how you can make 86,400 seconds every day. Imagine that this is money coming in from a bank to your account every day. That's how many seconds a day has. 86,400 seconds, guys. And these monies are deposited on your account every day. Yeah? So it doesn't matter if you spend it or not. You are given those seconds every day, and it's up to you how you're gonna spend it, if you're gonna spend it, and so on. Yeah? At the end of the day, regardless of what you did with those seconds of that time, it's gone. But the nice thing that the next day you're gonna have another 86,400 seconds. What I'm trying to do with these videos, guys, is we are living in an era of watching, where people watching other people's doing things, where watching life goes by, and it's a shame a little bit, yeah. So we're watching a lot of media, a lot of TV, we're watching, scrolling up and down in Facebook and Instagram and so on. Life goes by. I mean, you are given a gift every day. Those 86,400 seconds you have, it's a gift. You don't know if you're gonna have it tomorrow. Don't take it for granted. The reason I started this channel and the reason that I motivated myself to come on the internet marketing is because I wanted to change my life, and I wanted to change the way I spend those seconds, yeah, how I invest the bank called life. So I wanted to take the time and use it for things that I love, to spend it with my family, with my loved ones, to do things that I like for myself, and not to spend those 86,400 seconds sleeping, then eating, and then resting on the couch because I was working all day, work, and then work, and then work, and then just waiting for the weekend to do something, and then the weekend comes and you are all tired from the whole stressful week that I bet every single one of you is facing the same thing. So that's why I came to this one. What I'm trying to say, guys, is like, I wish I had somebody to wake me up a little bit earlier to try this stuff that I'm showing to you guys. Yeah, follow the videos. If it's not me, just find somebody else. There's a lot of guys out in the internet doing this. Find somebody out there, follow their methods, and invest invest those seconds and put an effort on it. The money is out there, you can do it. All you need to do is find the right way for you. Which of those videos that I'm showing or other people out there are showing to you, if it's needed and you feel like getting a mentor, get a mentor. It will help you. Just find a niche you want to go inside, where you feel that you are more gifted, where you have more talent. If you think that you need to get a mentor, do it. There is nothing better of somebody that is already in the field and is an expert on it, and just paying for advice to be your teacher, your mentor, and guide you. But guys, use this time, use this effort, and invest it wisely. A lot of the excuses I hear from people when we do the different chats and so on, it's like, I don't have the time to do this, I don't have the time to do that. Find it. Be consistent. Find something that you like, stick on it, and it's not gonna work from the first time. Usually some people, they are lucky, or the time is right and it's working from the first time. If it's not working from the first time and you do an error and it's not the second, it's not the third, each time that is not going right, you're learning something out of it. It's called experience. Keep it. When you wake up in the morning and you are healthy and you put your foot on the ground and you get up and you're able to do stuff, it's a gift. Don't take life as granted. Life is very beautiful. and very short. Time flies. Those 86,400 seconds, although it sounds like a big number, it flies. Use it. Go for it. Follow the videos. I mean, even for every single video, I'm guiding you with the proof that these things are working. If it's not me, find somebody else, but find a way to do it. It's a shame to live this life and not do the things we do. I know this video is a little bit different of what I usually do, but it's a motivation. You can live the life you want. You can spend the time wisely. You can spend it with the people you love. You can spend it doing things you enjoy. You can spend it doing something you like. Don't wake up in the morning and just think, I'm going to work today, you know, and feeling frustrated. I don't want to see my boss. I don't want to do the same thing I'm doing the last few years. I hate my job and so on. 99% of the people, okay, maybe it's a little bit exaggerated, but 90% of the people don't like what they do. It's a shame. It's a shame, guys. So that's what my video is about. Stick to something, give it a shot, try it. It's gonna take a little bit of time, but go for it. The time is given to you every day. Use it wisely. Stop watching TV as much as you do, or Facebook and so on, the social media, and dedicate half an hour, 40 minutes a day trying something new that it will change your life. And it will, believe me, it will. It was a little bit hard for me in the beginning as well, but it will. Just find something that it's easy to use. If you don't have the money to invest right now, start with something free and something that when people show you has a proof that is working, so you don't spend your time and your money on something that is not working, like some gurus selling an image out there that are making millions and so on. You go buy their product and guidance and service, and then you end up frustrated because it's not going to be working for you guys. As always, I'm going to ask you, following this video, because I believe it's one of the best ways and methods out there that is working, click the link below this video in order to see my #1 recommendation. Follow it. It's free. You have nothing to lose. There is guidance all the way. There is videos all the way there from the creator of the site. Follow it. Spend 10 minutes, more than enough to do your start. It's free. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade. Nobody's gonna push you to do it. And start making some money. You'll see, you feel so happy with, and then when the first money starts to come in, because you say, it's actually working, and you're gonna put some more effort on it, and you're gonna dedicate some time that you're using, those seconds that you're using for something else that is useless, is time you're not gonna get back. But with this one, at least time passes by, but you're getting something back because you can invest it for yourself, your loved ones, and so on. So you're gonna see, once you're actually getting some money back from this investment of your time, you're gonna dedicate more time, and more money will come in, and you can come to a point that said, you know what, I'm getting enough income to stop my job. And you guys, you will be able to do this. If you stay dedicated, you're able to do this. It was hard for me to believe. I was working on a 60 or 70 hours job on my previous career placement. Yeah, I said, it's no way that it's something out there. There is two voices in your head. One says that I can do it, that is something out there, I want to improve, I want to get more knowledge, I want to do this, and something that equals you to move forward. Yeah, and there is another voice that said, this is not for you, there's no time, stay on the couch, let's rest, why start something new, why the new stress, and so on. Sorry. So it's up to you which voice you're gonna hear. It's up to you which voice it's gonna be the one that beats you. Yeah, I would suggest, because most of our lives, or most of the people, we go with voice #2. It's time to hear voice #1, and you will see that the more time you put on this, voice #1 is gonna be the only voice you're hearing. Voice #2 is just gonna disappear. You're not gonna hear a second voice again. That's it, guys. I know a little bit different video today. The reason I'm doing this because I want to give you a little bit motivation on how to invest your time correctly. Time is priceless, guys. It doesn't matter what are you doing, how much money you do. Time is priceless. You're giving it every day. That amount of time is depending on you how you're gonna use it. Use it wisely. You cannot put a value on it. You're giving it today, tomorrow it's another day. Those seconds you're giving today is gone. It's up to you how you're gonna use it. So this is what I wanted to talk to you about. A little bit different, as I said, a different way of income, which is about your life, the seconds you are given every day. So it's up to you how you're gonna use it. I do ask you to follow my videos and find the best way for you to work it out and make some income. And as always, my #1 recommendation on this is always located below my videos. Click it, follow it, start generating money. I'm here to answer questions if it's needed. It's free. You can upgrade if you want for 14 bucks. I'm not sure about it. 14 or so bucks. Go for it. Start making some money. Invest it back in your families and your lives. That's it, guys. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, just don't forget to click the thumbs up. Do subscribe on my channel if you haven't already, and I'll see you very soon. Enjoy your day, guys. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.